Hello everyone, welcome to Library Learning. Today we are diving into an essential concept of object-oriented programming in Java, inheritance. Inheritance allows one class to reuse the properties and methods of another class, saving time and promoting cleaner, more efficient code. By the end of this video, you will understand what inheritance is and why it's important, the types of inheritance supported in Java, how to use the extends and super keywords, the advantages and limitations of inheritance. Let's jump right in. What is inheritance? Inheritance in Java is a mechanism where one class can derive the properties and behaviors of another class. Here is an example. We have a parent class called animal with the method eat. The child class dog inherits this method and adds its own method bark. With inheritance, we don't need to write the eat method again for the dog class. This is one way inheritance saves time and avoids redundancy. Types of inheritance in Java. The simplest type of inheritance is single inheritance, where a child class inherits from a single parent class. Here, the child class has its own method, display, but can also use the show method from the parent class. This relationship is one-to-one. Next, we have multi-level inheritance. Here, the child class indirectly inherits properties from the grandparent class through the parent class. This forms a chain-like structure where each level builds upon the previous one. Hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one parent class is shared by multiple child classes. For instance, child 1 and child 2 both inherit the show parent method from the parent class. This structure is ideal for creating shared functionality across different child classes. Using the super keyword. When a child class and parent class have members with the same name, the super keyword is used to access the parent class's method. In this example, dog uses super.name to get the parent class variable and super.sound method to call the parent class method. This is particularly useful for distinguishing between parent and child class members. Advantages and limitations of inheritance. While inheritance has clear advantages like reusability, reduces redundancy, and simplicity, it also comes with some drawbacks. For instance, a tightly coupled structure can make changes more challenging, and Java doesn't allow multiple inheritance directly. To address such limitations, Java uses interfaces, which we will discuss in future video. So that's everything you need to know about inheritance in Java. We covered its definition, types, usage, and even the super keyword. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Lively Roaring for more such easy to understand Java tutorials. See you in the next video where we will explore polymorphism in Java. Until then, love, take care, and keep spreading positivity. Thank you.